Hey everyone, Kristen Klingler here with Trophy Properties and Auction. I just wanted to introduce you guys to this beautiful one-of-a-kind property situated up here in Foley, Missouri. As you can see, I have a beautiful 1 acre stocked lake behind me, and I am standing on a fabulous deck that comes off from the living and dining room in this home. You've got a fantastic shop over here to my left. We've got a pool over here to my right, and just this awesome 5.3 plus or minus acres and a house with 3 bed, 3 bath that you can raise a family up here, spread your wings, create memories to last a lifetime. All right guys, let's take a look.